For the cutoff, y'all,
Right,
but
so I streamed off real quick.
IG tripped me up.
Right, IG tripped him up, but we back, man. You know what I'm saying? All music is displayed for promotional use only. Nothing is solicited in any way. You know,
all fashion. Nope.
You know how we do, man.
Right.
Shout out to DJ Drama, shout out to Young Jeezy, man. That jam was called Colors, man, off that Snowfall project, right? So
Right, we own the rights to the show too.
All
So
the rights to the shows.
absolutely.
You know what I mean? Nothing is solicited in any way. You know what I mean?
That's right.
Independent music or mainstream. You know what I mean?
Absolutely,
You
y'all.
just have to be clear because you know we have a radio show that appears online, and you know
Yep.
the technicalities and the politics of all of that, right?
Yep, we on
You know what I
YouTube,
mean?
we on
YouTube,
Spotify,
IG,
all that.
Roku, Vimeo, all of
Yep.
that shit. So,
Right.
You know what I mean? We just gotta be clear, right? So
Absolutely.
sometimes we on IG Live, you know, we playing some heat. Sometimes IG Lives make trip us, and
Yep.
you know what I mean? And then we have to come back on, you know what I mean?
Yep.
So we are back on. You know how we do. So that
That's
was
right.
a hot record by
That was
Drama
heat.
and Jeezy.
That's right.
The jam was called Colors. Now we're gonna move on to some independent heat. You know what I'm
Let's
saying?
go. Let's go.
That is like the major purpose of this show to highlight some of the best independent artists as well. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
It's a lot of artists that are fire, man, and everybody's putting up good numbers and all of that. But if not, you know what I mean? Some of the best independent artists are not viral.
That's
You know
right.
what I'm saying?
That's
Just
right.
like us, one of the best new shows out. We're not viral yet, and that's okay. We're gonna work our way up the ladder.
That's
But
right.
you will enjoy this organic flames that's happening. You
That's
know what I
right.
mean?
That's right.
That is a fact. You know what I mean? So you know how we do. We get ready to get into some more fire right here, man, for some artists coming from Harlem. You know what I mean? You know that's where we from. That's the borough we represent. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Harlem in the building. You already know. We do this for every borough: Harlem, Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, the whole city,
The whole world.
and then the world. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
But that's a fact. You know that's why every artist that we've had in there is artists from every borough, right? And then we also
right.
had artists that travel from different states to come sit down with us.
That's right.
We also have people on the check-in from overseas and all of
That's
that.
right.
You know what I mean? So we do this for all over. But being that we're from Harlem as well, we definitely want to make sure that we shine light on hot artists that's coming through from Harlem and representing and holding it down. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
So shout out to Reels Rich, man. And this record right here, man, Reels Rich featuring Pyrex P. This joint is called Rich Porter, man. This is a fire record, yo.
Let's
you know what I
get
mean?
it.
I will be hitting up Reels Rich and Pyrex P to get them to come in to Sound Show Radio. You know what I mean? We see y'all working, man. So this is by Reels Rich and Pyrex P, man. This joint is called Rich Porter, man. Let's go.
Cold case, this money will kill all of y'all. It's a road rage, I'm in that foreign car. No trace.
Sound Show Radio, you know how we do every Saturday 2 to 3. ECF Radio. Let's go. See you, Zohar. Let's go, Harlem. I see you, Real Rich. I see you, Pyrex P.
You think I'm tripping, nigga? Travel with no car. Asking truck looking like a Jagger. Whoa, niggas know I'm
All music is played for promotional use only.
Put 15s in a glass line. The way flow out of this world like it's cash like I'm bringing pay. Bitches say she love me when the bill comes.
Hey, you know how we do, Zohar?
When the meal comes.
That's right.
Like the rumor.
Like a pilgrim. When you sit low, that you flat, but you stacking to the ceiling. For real, I ain't rapping my nigga, that's how I'm feeling. For real, trapping in dead, these niggas scared. 50 P's, 40 days to disappear. 30K in 20 ways, I'm getting scared. I be in the room, my nigga, all about to fool, my nigga.
That's real shit, man. This is fire. That's the same thing, the whole Harlem.
That's the way it's fire.
Right.
Going big face with the swim tires. I'm in that drop if I spin by it.
That's what we do this for, man.
Totally.
Cause I'm bossy, dark skin and frosty, honey and frosty. Wish what they call me, nigga. I'm feeling low like a frosty. Just still 500 on my off week, nigga.
Pyrex P.
up. King, I ain't mean that. It's your queen. I was my man for the hooped up. Snatched her off the glass, I scooped up. Shorty like the way in the banks. She a trooper. But she ride me on them yellows like a school bus. You know, spit bully and chicken and when they cooped up. Sometimes.
Yes, you know how we do this. Is fire right here.
Oh, yeah.
What we got hot music for y'all today.
Right.
Stop on me, I can't wipe my kids and my shoe stuff. Running around with your laces dirty on pool pipe. They ain't studying hard, don't worry. They ain't fool us. Drop body out the body, can't put that suits up. Have my yelling now at your noodles if you get souped up. Harlem.
That's right, man.
Pyrex, nigga.
Sound show every Saturday, 2 to 3, right here at DTF Radio, man. We display the hottest Indian mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world.
Y'all.
Shout out to Reels Rich and Pyrex P on that smash record right there.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? That shit got that energy, B.
Hell yeah.
That's some real Harlem shit right there, man.
Harlem
Shout out to
stand
Reels
up.
Rich once again. Shout out to Pyrex P on that joint, Rich Porter, man. I will hit them up. We will be hitting them up so how to see we get them boys to come on through.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? Get interview. You know what I mean? We're gonna hit them up, see if they get interviewed and come through and perform that song live. You know what I mean? As well as
Absolutely.
others. I just heard another new record from Reels Rich that's crazy too.
Absolutely,
so he's
y'all.
on fire out here, man.
That's
a
right.
fact. Shout out to Reels Rich, man. He's definitely on fire with that song. You know what I mean? But
That's
shit,
right.
so you know how we do in the track list, man? We gotta play one more joint and then we do the halftime break and then we complete the rest of the track list. You know what I mean?
Absolutely, yeah.
So I like the way the first half of the show is moving so far, though,
Yep,
King.
yep.
You know what I mean?
A little
All
hiccup
music is
in the
displayed-
beginning, but it's
right,
all
little
right.
IG shit, right? All music is displayed for promotional use only, though, man. Nothing that's solicited in any way. You know what I mean?
Not
That's
at all.
like indie
Absolutely.
or mainstream.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? So we getting ready to get into the H2 bring back of the day, King. It's only right, man. Shout out to this legendary artist. He's been out for over 20 years now. You know what I mean? Shout out to this legendary artist. You know, I'm Rockefeller biased. I'm Rock Extended Family from the things that I've done and done as a producer and experienced in this industry. So shout out to Freeway, man. Shout out to the whole state property. Shout out to Freeway. You know what I'm saying? Check out
right.
my pictures with him on IG. Check out my pictures with Young Guru and just different Rockefeller shit, Just Blaze and all of that, right? So
right.
you know how we do. But shout out to this artist, man, this legendary artist Freeway, man, on his 20th anniversary, right? So how?
Absolutely,
For his
yo.
project Philadelphia Freeway, man. So shout out to Freeway on the 20th anniversary of that. They just had a big performance, you know what I mean, out there in Philly, and they
That's
shut
right.
it down, man. That was legendary. A lot of people came through and they showed up. You know what I mean? So shout out to Freeway, man. So we get ready to get into this song off of that legendary Philadelphia Freeway project. This is Freeway featuring the Young Guns, man. This joint is called Full Effect.
Full
This is
Effect,
produced
y'all.
by the homie Just Blaze. Just Blaze, what up, kid? You know how we do, man. This joint is a hot record. You know how we do so hot. You know what I mean? Sound show.
Let's
Saturday
go.
to the 3 DTF
Radio.
You know what I mean?
Right.
All music is displayed for promotional use only. Nothing is solicited. You know how we do, man.
Way, y'all.
So we getting ready to get into this record, man. Once again, this is by Freeway featuring the Young Guns. This joint is called Full Effect. This is the H2 bring back of the
Full
day.
effect, y'all.
You know what I
Philly
mean?
stand up, y'all.
You know how we do.
Philly PA stand up.
Right. Shout out to Philadelphia Freeway. This is by Freeway featuring Young Guns. This joint is called, yeah, they kick me off now. This joint is called Full Effect. They late with that, right, Rob? Man late.
Don't stop us, though.
Nope.
Don't stop us. It's late.
Nope. Nah, nothing.
They got me staring at the world through my rear.
You know how we do,
Go
man.
and make me scream to God. He can help you with your problems. Thug niggas wild when I come through. They can relate to my music, help them with their problems. Turn this up, what's your problem? This is real shit, homie, in the booth with the 4-clip. Homie, 2 clips, so the other clip don't get homie. Homie, no shit, homie. Didn't work for me, poking nicks, homie. Yeah, I got the vocal cord, my legs are how I ring a block, dropping with the ball in the hoopie, not a drop top. Got your bitch up
Freeway featuring Young Guns.
Sounds
Sounds for radio.
Freeway featuring Young Guns.
Full effect,
Full effect, y'all. Yo, it's Philly, New York, y'all we do. Pull this burner. With these two business.
Now we do
Perfect. You weren't burners, so we do fuck that.
Once again, this is by Freeway featuring Young Guns. This joint is called Full Effect. They H2 bring back of the day.
Absolutely.
Y'all doing a lot of comparing, cause Young Neef been on the block missing a lot.
Shout out to Young Neef.
Yeah, Young Neef still got it.
Shout out to Young Guns on there. Young Nigga, Chris, Neef Buck, Young Chris.
Right.
dead presidents wrapped the rubber bands. Johnny for pistol grips. That'll whip your
Now,
shit.
I see you, Mark. That's my cousin, Marky Hunter.
What up, Mark?
Keep telling homie, steady clip. Cause I'd rather be judged by 12 and carry by 6. Now to show you how to do this shit. Get you straight and get your cake right. Let us smoke it as you wait before you take me to the plate. Rockin' down, stuff this
All
shit
music
in
is
the
displayed for promotion use
Don't
only.
be late.
You have to make that clear for all the online stuff. That's all right.
Yeah, hell yeah. It won't burn it, the rich will let's burn us.
Y'all told me
To go next.
then I'ma read it. Goddamn it, I'ma get my
It's your radio camera, y'all.
Y'all told me to go next.
Right.
Just another victim of the devil, nigga.
Shout out to Young Chris.
They got addicted to work. Man, they say it's a shame, but as they say it's the game. I made my way to the game. Probably Lord Youngin with that snotty nose youngin. Everybody Lord Youngin. The only youngin now hugging that pavement for paper. They was shoveling pavements for neighbors. I never made it to them 5 on 5. They was playing live, I was trying to stay alive. Trying to stay alive. I was working 11:30 to curfew. I was trying to stay to 5. Hoping them boys stay at 5 while I'm chillin'. They can't stop me before the day arrive. I be up in again. So fucking day job while I'm feeling they ain't shot me straight from the center to state property. Young Chris and full of fame. And all I need is one page to the full is burning. Cause y'all told me to go next. And I'ma be goddamn it, gonna get my turn. Young Chris and full of fame. And all I need is one page to the full is burning down. Y'all told me to go next. And I'ma be goddamn if I don't squeeze my can out.
All good, man. You know how to do it. So, man. Shit. We always just playing some of the hottest music, hip hop and R&B all over the world, man. Shout out to Freeway. We gonna close this record out, right, King?
Right.
Right, so Sound Show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at
DTF Radio.
We always just play the hottest indie, slash mainstream hip hop,
Hopping on beat from artists all over the world. That's right.
all time zones. You know what I mean?
All time
Shout out
zones,
to
y'all.
Philadelphia Freeway, man. Shout out to Freeway on that legendary album, man. That was Freeway featuring Young Guns Full Effect, man.
That's
the
right.
Bring Back record of the day, so hot.
That's right.
You know what I mean? Right, it's halftime. It's time to give a little halftime rundown for about 2-3 minutes, and then we right back at it. Right?
Let's get it.
We commercial free. You know, we play no commercials, right, King?
Non-commercial.
No commercial free radio. You know what I mean?
Commercial-free radio,
no,
this.
Right, you know what I'm saying? No limits. We curse all of that shit. Unfiltered commercial free radio. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
That's a fact, man. So we're gonna come and break down and do a little halftime rundown, right, King?
Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the show, man. As
Let's
usual.
let's get it.
Right, man. You know what I mean?
Come on, camera. There we go.
There we go, right? We always enjoy what we doing here, right? So after a few weeks, after a few week break, we are back at it, King.
I forgot to move.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can see you good too. You see?
Yeah.
Make sure you have some time for
I got
both
you.
cameras.
I
I can
got
see you good too. And I do both things. You see that, right? We both gotta go like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I get this mic in front of me so
Oh yeah, you good, right?
you can hear me. Cause
I see, right?
Yeah, I don't want to block anybody else out.
And the mic, right? Yeah, so here we go, man. You know how we do, man. Sound Show. We are doing the halftime rundown, man. Let's get this going. Sound Show every
Radio,
Saturday, man, 2 to 3 right here, DTF
Radio, y'all.
First and foremost, we are always live on our IGs. You know
That's
what I mean?
right.
At _sound_show_radio. We live on my IG, Haas _Sound Pros.
That's
When Mika
right.
Baby's with us, she's on Yes _Mika.
Mika,
When
that's
Red
right.
Sands with us, she's on Red Sands _77.
That's right.
You know what I mean? We are available on YouTube. Make sure you check out our content. Sound Show Radio. Right? So all one word,
y'all.
SOUNDSHOWRADIO in the search bar.
Right.
Click on it, you can check out all our content.
Absolutely.
Thank you for everybody who supports our journey as a radio squad. We have over 67 guests.
That's
You know
right.
what I'm saying?
And counting.
And counting, you know what I mean? 54 of them are artists,
Yep.
recording artists, and the other people were like people who are clothing brand owners and, you know what I mean, comedians, podcasters. Shout out to my boy Lou Gorbachev for coming through.
That's
Just
right.
different people who co-hosted the show with us. Shout out to
right.
FLS for coming through.
That's
You know,
right.
we had different factions, artists, clothing brand people. We had my boy Cliffy Bars, the
Cliffy
director,
Bars,
come
that's
through.
right.
You
Fly
know,
the
we
drone
had-
in the room.
Right, we flew the drone in the room. We having so many different kinds of shows and just different things for the culture. So shout out to everybody who supports our journey.
Shout out to
You
Nova.
know what I mean? Shout out to my boy Nova. Straight out of Brooklyn Media,
That's
you
right.
know what I'm saying? You know, he's been holding it down, bringing some fire artists from BK.
That's right.
We had a few people from BK that we already brought in. Shout out to the homie R23 and a couple others,
right.
right?
Chris
Then my
Crown,
boy-
Billy a Fish.
Chris Crown. No, yeah, those are just the people from Brooklyn that
Yeah,
came
yeah,
through.
yeah,
We
man.
had like over 15 artists come through representing BK, so we've been holding
Absolutely.
it down, you know what I'm saying? See Mika right there. She said, "Hey squad, we see you, Mika baby." You know what I
See you.
mean? That's a fact, man.
Come on this
But
side,
yeah,
though.
we've been holding it down, you know what I'm saying? We've been holding it down, you know what I
That's
mean? We
right.
got so much more to come. It's all about the promotional blast now for us, you know what I mean? So we get ready to turn it up with the views for IG and YouTube. You know, everything
Absolutely.
is money and everything on the internet is
Yep.
views. So
Yep.
money equals views, and that's what we're doing. But at least
Yep.
everyone knows that we built Sound Show Radio organically.
Exactly.
So before shit get all crazy with the numbers and shit get all crazy and political, y'all know we built this shit from organicness.
That's
You know
right.
what I'm saying?
From the ground up.
Right, for the ground up. And this is for artists, up and coming artists and people in the culture who want to promote what they have going on, just as well as me as a producer and us as a radio show.
That's right.
You know what I mean? Not everybody who has some of the hottest content is viral. You know what I'm
Right,
saying?
right,
And so
exactly.
we're pushing the campaign to make sure people like that get more attention. You know what I'm
Yep.
saying?
Yep.
Because not everything that's viral is hot, and everything that's hot is not viral.
Right,
You know what I'm
right,
saying?
right. Exactly.
So we continuing on our mission, right? So hard for
That's
what we
right.
built and the rest of the team. Shout out to us because we've been working hard on this stuff.
That's right.
We still dealing with life stuff in between that. So you know, it's not easy to be bosses. You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
Right. You know what I mean? So we're getting there. You know what I'm saying? That's a fact. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Right, so we are working on it. She said volume is a little low, you know what I'm saying? But that's okay. Shout out to
Okay.
Jen DTF Saturday Management. But yeah, you know, Jen, we got like maybe 5-10 more minutes and then we closing out. You know what I mean? But we should be good, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I
we
think
should be
she's
good.
saying in the control room the volume could be a little louder, but that's all right,
Okay.
right? So I got it. You know
Yeah,
what I mean? He
I-
levels it out and all of that. He takes care of all of that stuff over there. As you can
Yes.
see on the
Yep.
broadcast board. You know what I mean? From day one, this is what he said he wanted to be interested in. So
That's
he came
right.
and made it happen, and now he's been holding it down for us and taking care of putting up the joints on the YouTube and all of that.
That's right.
So shout out to Sohada for working hard and building
That's
Sound
right.
Show Radio along with me. Shout out to Mika Baby and Red Sand for building Sound Show Radio along with us. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
We are doing this shit. Stay tuned for so much more, man. And I think that's about it. You know what I mean? There's more to come. We got something? Oh yeah, we got to shout out a few things before we go. A few more things before we go. Go ahead,
That's
so I'll
right.
give you some shout out.
Man, I want to give a shout out to the Knicks, man. The Knicks are doing it this season.
Right.
Doing it big.
Right.
Last night was a crazy game.
Crazy win, right?
Crazy win, man, over the Cavs, man.
Right. Shout out to the Knicks, number 5 in the
Number
East,
5
man.
in the East. Shout out to the Nets,
NBA.
6 in the East.
Shout out to the Nets, 6 in the East,
That's
even
right.
without Kevin and even without Kyrie.
That's right.
Even though they put them in 4th place when they left, they've
Yep.
been sustaining it. They didn't drop all the way back to 10th place.
Not at all.
They've been holding down their 6th place spot. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely, y'all.
You know what I mean? Shout out to
Absolutely,
everybody
man.
on the check-in. Shout out to Gav Too Lit. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Shout out to FTM. I see you, Gav. You know what I'm saying?
See you over
Check
here,
out
too.
FTM show, Sound Show. What was that? 86, I believe. Sound Show
Yeah,
86,
yeah,
FTM
yeah.
show, man. Check
Right,
that out.
right,
I see
right,
you,
right.
Gav.
That's
You know what I
right.
mean? But yeah, that's a fact, man. We just been working and stay tuned for so much more, man. We about to turn up crazy with the views and all of that.
Absolutely,
You know what I'm saying?
y'all.
More crazy shows, more everything. But
Yep.
yeah, man, shout out to the Knicks, like we said, they doing crazy this year. Shout out to the NBA. Whole NBA is crazy.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? But we gotta shout out our New York Knicks for doing their thing, you know what I mean? And one more thing before we go, man, you know what I mean? Big black entertainment rundown stuff.
Oh,
Shout out to the
definitely.
Wayans family, man, for having a $300 million empire. Did you see the news on that?
Nah, I didn't see
Shout
that.
out to the Wayans family for building
Wow,
a
shout out to the Wayans, yo.
$300 million empire from scratch. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the Wayans family. That's iconic shit, and that's
Right.
legendary right there.
And you know where they
So,
from, too, Harlem.
Right, Harlem for the culture. You know what I mean?
That's
So
right.
shout out to the Wayans family
That's
for
right.
holding it down, building a $300 million empire from the ground up. You know what I mean?
That's special right
That's
there.
special. That's how we trying to do. We building our shit from the ground up. You know what I'm
Ground
saying?
up, yep.
We not sweating nobody. We do our own thing, man. You know what I mean? We don't be
Absolutely, y'all.
jacking people and doing no unnecessary shit, playing ourselves, none of that corny
Nope.
shit.
Nah, we
I'm
don't
not
do
going
that.
for it, and
Nope.
neither is nobody else.
Nope.
We do our own thing. mean? H2 of the Sound Pros, Sound Show Radio, So Hot Up, Sound Show Radio.
That's
You
right.
know how we do, man. So that's the halftime rundown. Shout out to everybody who supports our journey as a radio squad. And you know what I'm saying? We are straight, you know what I'm saying? On this halftime rundown, you know what I mean?
That's right.
Somebody's sending me messages, but
Yeah,
they're
me
not
too.
coming to the right person.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, so I'm getting ready to shut this halftime rundown. Because I think we said everything we needed to say, right, so
Yeah, I mean, Sound Show every Saturday, DTF Radio, 2 p.m. You know how we do.
you know how we do, man. Ain't nothing more to say,
That's
right?
We are
You
live
ready
on
to-
IG, YouTube,
Right, YouTube.
Roku.
Oh, then let's not forget, thank you, Soha.
Yeah.
Right, let's complete that, man. Let's finish up before we close out, right?
That's right.
We're live on YouTube, Vimeo, Roku. Audio only is available on Spotify, but only through the DTF Radio app.
which is free on Apple Play and Apple Music Store, y'all.
You can download, right, the DTF Radio app on Google Play, Apple Music Store,
for free.
right? And you can hear us in audio form only and check out other stuff that DTF Radio has to
Absolutely,
offer.
yep.
But if you want to check us out, you can check us out live on IG at _sound show, _sound_show _radio.
Yep.
Me, Haas _sound pros, and the rest of the team on YouTube, Sound Show Radio, all one word.
Right.
SOUND SHOWRADIO. We
Right.
keep running it down like a commercial.
Yep.
Because there's always new viewers. We don't care if it's one. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
It's always someone new that can find out about this platform and spread the word.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying?
And
So
one more thing, all up and coming artists, if you want
Right.
music played on the show,
right.
send it to soundshowradio at
At
gmail.com.
gmail.com.
And
That's
also to H2
It's
is
true.
the Sound
Soundpros at Gmail. Right. If you want
Exactly.
to email us music, email us at soundshowradio@gmail. You
That's
know what I
right.
mean? Or email me at highsoundpros.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? No,
Exactly.
email me at soundpros@gmail.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And email soundshowradio@gmail, and either myself or
Absolutely.
Sohai get back to you.
Absolutely.
DM us sound_show_radio.
That's right.
Or DM me at highs_soundpros, and either me or
Absolutely.
Sohai get back to you, and we take it from there.
y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely, y'all.
That's a fact, man. So you ready to get into your request of the day, King?
Yes,
This
get
is
it.
So Hot Up.
Let's
H2
get it.
request of the day. So
Let's
Hot
go.
submitted this record last week, and we couldn't wait to play it, B.
That's right.
Two legends on this record that
What?
came together and made a legendary
What?
project. You know what I'm saying? So
Absolutely,
we do
y'all.
this for, right, So Hot?
We do it for the culture,
We
do
do
it
this
for
shit
the
for culture.
fans, do it for the followers, all that.
All of that. The supporters, all of that, right?
Absolutely, y'all.
So shout out to these legends, man. You know how we do, so how we
Let's
love this
go.
record, you know what I'm saying?
Let's
From
get it.
these two legends that put together a group, you know what I'm saying, for this particular project, right?
Absolutely,
Shout
y'all.
out to the legend Styles P, 1/3 of the legendary group The Lox, right?
Ooh.
Shout out to Havoc,
Havoc.
1/2 of legendary group Mobb Deep.
Deep.
Rest in peace, Prodigy.
That's right.
a fact, you know what I'm saying? So this record we're about to get into is the So Hot Up, an H2 request of the day.
y'all.
This is an incredible record by these two legends.
Is it?
You ready to get this song in, King?
Let's get
This
it.
is by Records Manor. Styles P and Havoc created a group called Records Manor. And
Absolutely.
this song we about to get into is YO to QB. All music is displayed on the show for promotional use only.
Only, y'all.
Right? Nothing is solicited in any way.
Professional form.
Let's go, man. So high H2 request of the day. Styles P and Havoc. YO to QB. Nobody does it like us with the trackless king. Check the track record, right?
Nobody does it better.
Shit. Like my nigga Havoc said on Beef DVD, niggas better check the track record, kid. What up? You know what I'm saying?
But I couldn't relate to niggas yelling love with a heart full of hate. I'd rather you get an 8 or a Hulk or a K. And meet me in the alley, my nigga, let's get it straight. I'm the ghost, so
That's right,
I'm
baby.
on the dope when it's late.
Shout out to the legend SC, man. Shout out to the legend Havoc. One of the best artists and best producers alive.
Hell yeah. Believe that.
Look in my eyes, I'm fire, I look shoot through hell. This some shit on my homie that you wouldn't believe. I ain't trying to bring a homie, just some shit on my sleeve.
I see you so high on this request.
That's right. It's that warm-up music, y'all. Warm-up music. Springtime music right here. QB to YO. That's right. Harlem to BX. Woo, BK. QB to YO. RA to Big X, BX to Harlem. That's right. Woo.
One mic to two of them.
Hell yeah.
Live and direct, hot like pirates, jaws ain't a rapper, but I can't deny these bars.
Shout out to Havoc, man.
Death to fire, the offering on me, nigga, like denying God. You clowns is cap, nigga, we not in the same boat. Rapper and producer, my nigga, we king both. Real estate investor, my nigga, just take notes. They wanna buy my publishing, nigga, but fuck no. YO the QB,
QB the YO.
Go places sacred
Shout
like
to QB.
Cairo.
Shout to
Niggas
Young.
wanna leave, I tell them put it in the gyro. And even with a dick, motherfuckers out there mind, yo. I'm getting rich, it's a sip, take the clips. The world is yours, written all over the
That ain't too busy, what it is. Right, DTF Radio, Sound Show, you know how we do.
I'm just buying up shit, you know it's
YO the QB, QB the YO.
One gun and two of them, all about survival. YO the QB, QB the YO. One coupe and two of them, all about arrival. YO the QB,
QB the YO. YO the Harlem, Harlem the BK. Hey,
QB the YO. One mic and two of them, head half live though.
now we do so how
Every Saturday.
every Saturday 2 to 3 right here, right? DTF Radio, right? So how will we display, King?
Some of the hottest
Hottest
indie
indie
and mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world. Y'all, that's how we
That
do.
was fire right there,
That
man.
was-
Shout out to the legend Styles P and Havoc on that song.
That was-
YO the QB. That is the Wreckage Man project. You know what I'm saying?
Woo, that's
Styles,
right.
That was crazy.
That was heat.
Styles P and Havoc put together a group called Wreckage
Wreckage
Man
Manor.
for this project, man. Make sure y'all check it out. It's available now on all platforms. So much dope music, right? So how nobody do the track list like us? You know what I'm saying?
Nobody.
Check the track record, man. Look at all the over 100 shows we delivered. Check the track record. Check the shows, man. You can enjoy them shits forever.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Just like this one when we're done. This is about to be another classic, King.
About to
for
be
the
a-
books. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. One for the
Word.
business.
One for the books, man. We back with that energy the way we supposed to be. You know what I mean? So now after coming after a slamming record like that, we coming back next with a vibe.
That's
from an
right.
exclusive artist. You know what I mean? Shout out to Iman Shumpert.
Woo!
Used to be legendary
Yeah.
players. Shout
Hell
out to
yeah.
Iman, you know what I mean?
Shout out to NBA champion.
Shout out to NBA champion Iman Shumpert.
That's right.
Shout out to Dancing with the Stars champion Iman Shumpert.
Oh yeah,
Shout out to
I forgot about that
actor
one.
and recording artist Iman Shumpert. My boy he got some accolades.
Hell
he get
yeah.
up there, man.
Hell
Shout out to
yeah.
Tiana Taylor, his wife. She's doing big things out here.
New
as
movie
well.
out right now.
New movie coming out. You know what I mean? She got crazy music out. She's tearing up the acting scene.
Yep.
New movie dropping. Shout out to Tiana as well. But you know, this record we about to get into by Iman is crazy, man.
Hell yeah.
Iman and Damian Lillard are the best two rapping basketball players.
All
ever.
right, that's right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Iman and Damian Lillard are the best two rappers who play ball.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Iman got songs, man. Trust me. Like this one we about to get into right now, man. You know what I'm
Absolutely,
saying?
y'all.
We about to get into this joint, man, because this is a hot record. You know what I mean?
That's
Shout out
right.
to Iman Shumpert, man, for
Ooh,
all this
Iman,
stuff that he's been
man.
doing, working so hard, so hard. You know what I mean?
Absolutely,
On his
y'all.
craft, you know, when he decided to not do NBA anymore. You know what I mean? For him to revamp his career like that, the way he did. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely,
and
y'all.
keep it moving, right?
Absolutely,
I
y'all.
gotta commend that, right? So
Absolutely.
Gotta commend that. You know what I mean?
Once
Word.
again,
We
all
love the song.
music
All
displayed
music displayed
for promotional use only.
You know what I'm saying?
Nothing solicited in any kind of way,
Nothing
form, or
solicited in any
fashion,
way.
and we
You know
do
what I mean?
own the rights to the show, y'all.
Right, we do own the rights to the show. We had to say that before we play this other exclusive.
Of
from
course.
Iman, right?
That's right.
Nothing is solicited anyway. We do own the rights to the show.
That's right.
The song is queued up now. We good. You know
Let's
what I'm
get
saying?
it.
So we getting ready to do this, man. Shout out to Iman Shumpert, man. This show we about to get into is called Forgiveness.
Ooh,
you know what I mean?
Forgiveness.
We believe this is the number 6 record off the track list. So we
right.
mid vibing right now.
Absolutely.
So let's get ready to get into this vibe by Iman Shumpert, man. This one is called Forgiveness. Sound Show Special Edition. You know how we do, man. Sound Show every Saturday
be
2 to 3.
forgiven. Is
Yeah.
it really worth the living over shoulders? Cold exits where your soldiers at. Fuck your pride, life is short. Why you holding that? It's go harbor to your daughter, chop it up and call a barber. It's some names or some things that's forsaken for you. But what if guys when this game gets shaken for you? Get it straight to play, it ain't gon' make it for you. Get this shit a break, cause if it's fake, they still gon' take it from you, nigga.
fire. Nigga Baby says he on the album is called 1,000 right?
Yeah.
You gonna run it down.
The movie. The movie is.
1,001.
Yeah, movie. Yep.
Seen better losses than they highest plateau. I'm in control of the faucet, I'm in control of the
Dropping down on them.
in the corner of the market that gave in to a road. Lace to the ceiling, I'm finna hit on the road. Get the next verses, just off a couple hits to the road. A lot of women that wait their sisters and I'm gonna get with the flow. Bad business, that's what a nigga get.
What up, Mika?
We do homework till all work goes to damn pop, I'm equipped with that know-it-all script with a bowling ball, APS with some
DJ Radio Camera, y'all. We feel along with IG.
But I'm 30 with this 40 on me, whistling. The big dogs is in Miami with a Cuban on them. Dipping donuts in the coffee, I'm kinda how the vision got me. Sinner be forgiven, is it really worth the living over shoulders? Cold exits where your soldiers at. Fuck your pride, life is short, why you holding that? It's go harbor to your daughter, shop it up and call a barber. It's some names and some things that's forsaken for you. But when the guys when this game get it shaking for you. Get it straight to play, then they gon' make it for you. Get it shit a break, cause if it's fake, they still gon' take it from you. Round and round we go, yeah, go on when it's smoke. Now the pass back down, where your homies at.
Another great show.
Round and round we go,
After
yeah,
this
go
next
on
break,
when it's
it's
smoke.
all
Now
good.
Absolutely.
where your homies at. We done seen sunshine on the rainiest days. Just hold on for a minute while we making a way.
Yeah, shout out to you, Marshall. This one's forgiveness, right?
Absolutely. Yep.
Nightmares are going out solo with no photos or loved ones and real shit they used to go on.
Y'all, thanks to our supporters. Mika Baby will be back soon. Stay tuned for that. As well as Red Sand 77.
Absolutely.
We holding it down for this.
Burger now the turnaround should be a M. For the murder sound, the turnaround should be a M. That's what I heard the sound. The turnaround should be with them. So my mom, I got my mindset. They should got my blind spot. Loyalty's a time bomb. We can let this time now. If I put my guard down, wasn't this a goddamn? If they pull your card, do they love you from afar now? Nigga, can a sinner be forgiven? Is it really worth the living? Over shoulders, cold exits, where your soldiers at? Fuck your pride, life is short, why you holding that? It's go harbor to your daughter, shop it up and call a barber. It's some names and some things that's forsaken for you. But where the guys when this game gets shaking for you? Get it straight to play, then they gon' make it for you. Get this shit a break, cause if it's fake, they still gon' take it from you, nigga. Now, round and round we go, yeah,
Ready to close this out, right? This is a good vibe.
where your homies at? Round and round we go, yeah, go, I wanna smoke. Now pass it back to them, where your homies at?
Sound show every Sunday, man. 23, right here, DCF Radio. We always just playing some of the hottest hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world.
Man.
Shout out to Iman Shumpert, man, off that record right there, Forgiveness, man. That was hot. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
How we do, man. Sound show radio.
Right.
Every
Commercial
Saturday
free
to
radio.
Blitz. Commercial free radio. You know what I mean?
Right.
The commercials get shut down with us. You know what I mean?
That's right.
We do not let nothing run but live music and live talking.
That's right.
You know what I mean? From the show. You know what
That's
I mean?
right.
That's a fact, man. Like, I'm really enjoying the show already so far.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So far, so loud, you know what I mean?
Absolutely,
Yeah,
y'all.
we always enjoy the show. After the track lists get going, like, man,
Yep.
come on, dude. Like, you know
Especially after a 3-week hiatus.
right, especially after a 3-week hiatus. Like, King,
Yep.
you know we have to come back crazy. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
You know how we do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, you know, see the Invicta right there for you guys that like the watches and shit. That's what that is. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
You know how we do So High. We
That's
get
right.
ready to get into this next joint right here, which is the H2 and So High closeout record of the day, man. This record is so fucking hot, man. Shout out to West Side Gun and the features on this, man. Black Star. You know what I'm
Black
saying?
Star.
Shout out to Mos Def and Talib Kweli.
Actually,
equals Black Star.
Yasin Bey.
AKA Yasin Bey.
Yeah, there we
You
go.
know what I mean? Shout out to Mos Def, aka Yasin Bey, and Talib Kweli. You know what I mean?
That's right.
They equal Black Star. You know what I mean?
Absolutely,
As a group,
y'all.
You know what I mean? And this is West Side Gun featuring Black Star. And this on this record, Peppers, is crazy. They shot this shit in Brooklyn. You know what I mean? Shout out to the homie Chris Crown, who got a cameo in this video. Shout out to the homie Crown, you know what I'm saying? He got a cameo in this joint right in the beginning.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? We have Crown on Sound Show.
That's
you know what I
right.
mean? Make sure you check out his episode.
Along with Billy the
With
Fish.
Chris Crown and Billy Official.
That's right.
It's available right now on IG and YouTube, so make sure you go check that out.
Absolutely.
But we getting ready to get into this closeout record of the day, man. This is West Side Gun featuring Black Star. This joint is Peppers, man. So you gotta
Buffalo, the BK to Buffalo.
Now we do Sound Show Radio, man.
They say,
This is the last song of the track list. West Side Gun featuring Black Star, Peppers. Shout out to my boy Chris Crown. All music displayed for promotional use only. Keep on right there. Let's go.
Baby. Ain't well elegant, more medicine miracle. Flash films radio, one inside with the terrible. Graveyard football, sound guy, very sight. Batman, Earth Slam, Joker to the Tanzanite. Matt Black Dynamite, blast radios, black radio. Score king,
Yes, all music is displayed for promotional use only. Now we close out the show.
Cardiac series, cardiac tank up, no essential banker. Baby, it ain't luck. Days without a wave, crazy we made one. See God grace is so
That's right. Let's say y'all.
Goofy niggas, hate being in jeans like it's their true religion. If it isn't love, it must be new edition. Fly guys, now we don't believe in superstition. Superman the man, see through the system with my supervision. Power, spirit of gravity like tabernacle. The voice of the people, keep it deeper than an accent. Yeah, even more than before. I said what I said, and that's all I saw. Woo! Always calling the law.
That's right, what up, nigga?
I'm never silent, always speaking up. Personally, I find that cowardly niggas.
Yes, you know, we just sound on radio, bitch.
Never be enough. Louder than the bomb, we turn it up to the speakers. But living on the road, I'ma bring them onto a post to stay away from these industry agents. They all both breaking up these toys and faking. It's more soldiers. I know how to do it, but it's not more culture. Playing on the coastal notion. We in love with the coke and they hate niggas with the legal when people put it in cola for generational wealth. They say it on the ancestors' shoulders after burning down toast from over.
Hey, yo. Shout out to Westside Gun.
Hey, yo. Buffalo BK Buffalo.
That's right.
Griselda, Black Star.
Everybody, shout out to Nubian. Everybody up in Buffalo, we rock with. What they say? Shout out to Westside Gun. Fly God. That's how we close out on them, right there.
Just say you got the biggest lock in all lanes. I had 38 or 14. Every got on Poncho, Bronco. So much coke, you had to get the bacon.
Started from Costco.
Shoot a sniff of coke like John Bones. Man, rock color chicken with the top zones. Get your hella for my bloom. Stylists picked it out with the eyes closed. Gucci house with the rhinestones. When you see the red wagon, you know what's happening. That's it in the car, you know that show's bragging. Red shows, I'ma lose, I'm so fast.
Giga Baby said this is the pop sound show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, right? So we always just playing
Sound
artists
show,
in mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world. Ooh, man. Hey, you know nobody does this shit like us. It's too much swagger and shit. You know what I mean? Cut the check. You know what I mean?
CTC, got the check.
Cut the check. You know how we do, man. Shout out to Westside Gun. Shout out to Black Star. Y'all seen Bay and Talib Kweli. That joint was called Peppers. That was the last song of the track list, right? So hot.
Absolutely.
Phase 2, So Hot request of the day. Another hot show. He's gonna play Instrumental King and get on up out of here. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Shout out to DTF Radio Saturday Management, man. I believe we did what we were supposed to do. You know what I mean?
Came in, tore it down.
Came in, tore it down. Come on, B.
About to head back
You know what I mean?
outside
About
in the
to head
rain.
back out, right. Weather's nice. The spring is breaking, right, y'all?
Absolutely.
71 degrees on this Saturday. Started off rainy, but starting to clear up. You know what I mean? We could appreciate all of that, right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. You know what I mean? So we gonna get ready to get out of here, right, King? You know how we do, man.
Yep.
Yo, man, sound show every Saturday 2 to 3 DTF Radio. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Right. You know what I mean? I like how the flash beat was sounding. We just gonna go with that, right?
Hey, hell yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, like we said, man, every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, you know what I mean? Yo, man, we appreciate everybody supporting us and, you know, enjoying our journey as a radio squad, but there's so much more to come, right, so hot?
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? Shout out to Nika Baby on the check-in. Shout out to Red Set 77, you know how we do, man. Sound Show Radio, you know how we do, man. Instrumental produced by me, H2 of the Sound Bowl, man. We get ready to close this out, you know what I mean? Got a nice close-out feel to it, right? So we should go do this, yeah? Please go and check our content.
Absolutely. Like and subscribe,
Like and
y'all.
subscribe, man. Be available on YouTube, Vimeo, Roku. Audio only available on Spotify. Only through the BTF Radio app.
That's right.
Download the BTF Radio app free on Google Play and Apple Music Store.
Absolutely, y'all.
That's a fact. You can check us out in so many different ways. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Stay tuned for so much more with Sound Show Radio, man. More guests, more crazy shows, more crazy themes, more crazy songs on the track list, more hot track list shows, and all of that, man.
Absolutely, y'all.
Right, you know how we do, man. We always represent the Sound Show Radio. We are closing out, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody, BTF Radio, Saturday Management, shout out to Jerry, shout out to OG Mark. We are closing this one out right here, man. You know what I mean? Stay tuned, man. We got some more guests and stuff like that coming up, right? So
Absolutely,
more
y'all.
crazy shows and all that. Stay tuned, man. This is Sound Show Radio, man. Special edition Fire Trackless Show, right?
Right.
Get ready to get up out of here, y'all. Thank you, everybody, man, for supporting everything we doing, everything we got going on, right? So
Absolutely.
stay tuned for so much more. Stay tuned for some more production, so hot up. You know what I mean? Sound Show Radio Squad. Stay tuned for so much more, man. After we come back for a show like this, man.
That's right. Act like we never left,
All right,
y'all.
shout out to Jim, BTF Management.